How to create a frame in Figma. First, open any web browser of your choice and navigate to your Figma file. Once inside the Figma file, direct your attention to the bottom of the website, where you will notice a menu bar that houses various tools. Locate the icon that says Frame and click on it. This action will allow you to create a new frame. With the Frame tool activated, click and drag your mouse pointer across the canvas to create a custom-sized frame. Feel free to experiment with different dimensions. And there you have it. You've successfully created a custom frame in Figma. Now let's explore Figma's default frame sizes. Click on the frame icon once more. On the right-hand side menu, you will find a variety of default frame sizes categorized under different sections, like phone, tablet, desktop, presentation, and more. Let's start by selecting the default size for an iPhone 16 Pro. Navigate to the phone section and click on the iPhone 16 Pro option. The frame will then appear in your file. Next, if you wish to add an iPad mini frame, head over to the tablet section and click on the iPad mini option. The frame will instantly be added to your project. Lastly, let's include a frame for a MacBook Air. Simply go to the desktop section, click on the MacBook Air option and watch it populate in your file.